Hey, DJ,
Yeah,
are we on?
we are alive. We're
Yes,
going
yes,
on
I haven't been around in a very long time.
because you've been scarce.
Yeah, so Melela, I've been eating the pupech. So Melela, loco, eri, ekiedena sotala. Never bet on a human being. Ungafuku teke marriage matimba. Never bet on a human being. What is this? I don't know what motivational speak. I'm just saying, correct. The only human being that we have to bet on, you and yourself, because you'll have your own self to blame. What is this? I'm building then Gavkati in by not ring. Yo way. As one, Emadal. Ngunyuwa could drop an ansate and rain, Namun Takunga Friday. Look at drop an sat in Ampondo. A farm. It was sense in the rain. One South Africa pick up PY Chow. Shia guest house until 4 o'clock Namajam. Shia drop on the rain. Ngunyula awe 5 a gate in the rain. Atekan Sata Mukaya Kai. Each inga kun Sata and the rain Sukunquar. Kasin Sata take a day off. One of a man. Bet on yourself. What's that one for the boyfriend? What's your boyfriend? If you think your girlfriend is dating you alone, I'm sorry, I have bad news for you. No, it doesn't happen like that. There's no way. There's no way in the world. I'm telling you. Faithful, faithful. Emmanuel, the last person to be faithful, I'm Maria. You forgot report Gabrielle. Was this? Mara, that was the last woman to be faithful under the sun.
That is no way it is some besan now. We are important blind.
So in Marana, plan. Namaya wana sapuja, vahava appetite. Enela hilainga kona, enela hilesi ingana sona. Leri jambo ayaraka wa munu. You're landless. When you're poor, you pay for everything. You pay for your lunch, you pay for others, you pay for your relationship. But the most wealthy people who are not struggling in their businesses, don't pay for anything. The movies that they go watch, they get invited to. Do you think Mark Zuckerberg will pay for a lunch at McDonald's? They'll be glad to have him. Now that is the highest level of success. And they'll go to Tamlungu or whatever. So as one team or as one song, I think we need to have each other's back. And this is the topic we've been having. The lack of support from your own brothers. What we are lacking is the understanding that if one motherfucker makes it, we all make it. If Mr. Post makes it, we all make it. If Benemayangani makes it, we all make it. And that is the language that Petros Motsepe is trying to teach the nation. If I've made it like this, I can be able to take care of 19,000 households. Eso nunca se me enhloko. Namsaba seyime enhloko. Enkwense ihlanga elihloko. Lokhu kumdendo wa 70 years itafikisa mtako usikona. Ogran? Sure. Kombo untimela funa we ngwana.
More than one husband.
Mara ya mera more than one husband. Ekitsanza na imali ya toothpaste na. Ngwana kungishavela msisa akhale la Orlando la. What is this?